Hi, Homeboy here. Welcome to the October Roundup. Is it me or are the days just really speeding by? Can you imagine? We've already done our midterm exams. Nonetheless, October has been nothing short of thrilling. And did you know, October is known as a Cybersecurity Awareness Month. Speaking of cybersecurity, we held a Cylab Summit here at our beautiful campus. Nafiu will tell us more about how it went.
The Cylab Summit was a very great event. It brought about many academics, industry professionals, as well as government officials to discuss how digital public goods can be leveraged in Africa. Throughout the summer, I worked with Cylab to develop software that provides easy interoperability of digital public goods. My highlight of the summit was getting to present the work we have done so far to the industry players who will eventually use it to impact society. This was a great avenue for us to get feedback and recommendations on our project from the various stakeholders.
Now, CMU-Africa is not just about classwork and assignments. Students are encouraged to join clubs and participate in extracurricular activities. Natasha, who's a member of the Techie Talkers Club, will share with us her experience.
Our club's mission is to provide a positive and supportive learning environment in which each member develops their communication and leadership skills, resulting in greater self-confidence and personal growth. This is done through different sessions where members can deliver their prepared speeches and impromptu speeches, and at the end of the meeting, we get valuable feedback on what we need to work on to improve our public speaking skills. So far, my experience has been amazing. I enjoy learning from all the members as they deliver their speeches, how the content their speeches have, how they deliver their messages. And on top of that, the way each member challenges themselves and takes on the battle to fight the fear of public speaking is very inspirational to me.
Now, what's work without play? CMU-Africa held a friendly match with Africa Leadership University, which was pretty exciting. Peter will tell us more about it.
I am part of the CMU-Africa football team, and it feels like a good way for me to distress through routine weekend trainings and playing football with my colleagues. This month, we had a friendly match against African Leadership University. It was a big match with a significant build-up, and with both universities being so close, it felt like a derby game. It was a tough match, and it ended in a 3-all scoreline. I had the opportunity to play in the midfield during the game and contributed to our third goal, which tied the game. At the end of the day, it was a good way to distress, meet people from ALU, have fun with my colleagues, and also keep fit.
And CMU-Africa hosted the workshop on intelligent transportation. Now, this brought together different stakeholders like the government of Rwanda, academia, and different industry players like Volkswagen. Bereket will share his highlights.
During the past months, I was fortunate enough to attend a workshop hosted by Afritech on intelligent transportation system, which aims to research and innovation across Africa via Carnegie Mellon University and other partner universities throughout the continent. At the workshop, I had the opportunity to discuss with many stakeholders, such as the government officials, on how they are implementing the transportation systems and how they're digitalizing it. And after that, I had the opportunity to discuss with industry leaders such as Volkswagen Rwanda on how they're planning to implement electric vehicles throughout Kigali. And finally, we had the opportunity to hear from various academicians across Africa, such as University of Rwanda, and Mohammed VI Polytechnic University in Morocco.
And drum rolls, please. We finally had the Tartan Community Day, which is a day to break away from the norm, to connect, restore, and play in meaningful ways. This year's theme was transformation. Emmanuel is here to tell us more about the activities that took place.
For our Community Day this year, we had exciting activities taking place, from karaoke, dance sessions, painting, and even board games. It was just a time for us to reconnect, have fun, get to know other people in the community, and just break away from assignments and books.
And that's it for our monthly roundup. Be sure to subscribe to our socials to stay updated. And I'll see you next time.